A new day trading indicator. I'm normally testing out different indicators on charts and different plan strategies when I'm trading throughout the week, and I have multiple charts pulled up, multiple time frames to see which indicators really give me an edge, which indicators don't. So I might be adding indicators, taking indicators away if I don't see the value. But today I want to talk about an indicator that I've been using for the last few weeks, and I have seen some success with it. I want to talk about how I use this indicator. It's free on TradingView, so I'm going to talk about that indicator right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Patrick here. Today we're going to be talking about this indicator right here, how it works, what I'm using it for, and the overall thought process. At the end of the day, you gotta remember, these indicators are not the end all be all, right? Like, you can't base your whole entire strategy off of only one indicator. You need multiple indicators, and this indicator that we're going to talk about here in this video really is an indicator that I feel like gives me confidence when I'm in a trade. If I'm in the trade and I look and I see like, hey, the indicator's telling me that I'm on the right side of the action, well, then I feel stronger about holding that with more conviction, seeing that the indicator is in line with my overall thesis or my overall trades. So let's dive into the charts here. Let's go on to TradingView, type in whole MA and warning zones. It'll come up right there. We search it on TradingView. So we pull it up there. And then I've also got the 200-day moving average as well. And then the indicator that I have on the bottom of the chart is the ADX and DI for V4. What I did with this is I took away the ADX line. So now we only have two lines. We got rid of the ADX line, and we only have two lines here. You can see red and yellow. When the indicator shows that we're turning green, it's showing consolidation, showing a possible trend change, and the market moving higher. So you can see how the market's kind of bouncing. We're at that green, and then all of a sudden we dump, and we get the dark red line to come in there on that indicator. So how would you trade this? You know, the way that I would trade this obviously is we look for that break below these two candles. We got that 3-minute candle right there to break. You got the 3-minute candle right here to break, so we're going to enter when we break below these two candles there at the 16s, and you know my target's going to be at least 06s or lower, and you can see it all get down there 97s. Basically broke to the upside here and then pulled back. So if you would have got in at the low of those candles, you would have been fine and you would not have gotten stopped out. So you're basically getting in when we break below the low of those two candles right there. So that's your short opportunity there. And you can see how that red line with the indicator confirmed that we're going lower. Also, the red line is above the yellow green line, then that's going to tell us that it's bearish, right? The market is still overall bearish. We had this push up here. We actually did not get short here, but let's just say our next opportunity to get short would be for the break below this support right there. We had the 200-day moving average there on the 3-minute chart. You can see we pushed above that. So getting short here, you know, where's your short at? You're basically getting in when we break below the lows of these candles, and you go from the 60s and pulls. Pretty much that red line stays red all the way till the 47s. So get a move down in the 50s, you know, take your 10 handles and then have maybe a runner holding on there. It still ended up going lower and lower throughout the day. So your stop could have just been basically at that break even point. But again, what are we confirming, right? We got the red line down here crossing the yellow line. So we're bearish. We're getting that break below the EMAs. We're getting that break below 200 EMA. We're breaking this support. The overall trend is pointing down. We can see that the indicator is red, confirming the overall move. You got a bear flag right here on the 3-minute chart. Getting this break to the downside. You can see the indicator indicating that we're consolidating right there. The indicator's, you know, green, but we're not getting that move up. Look what's going on down here. We have the ADX. We have the red line way up here. We have the green line way down there. So we know that it's overall very bearish at this point. So basically looking for short opportunities. So you're shorting here. After this breakdown from the 57s, you get a move all the way down there to the 32s, that double bottom level at that point. So that indicator basically got you in there at this level at the 50s, and then would have taken you out down here at the 30s. You can see right here another little bear flag breakdown, same setup. You get this push up, we're going kind of sideways, we're starting to roll off. The indicator is red. You get a move here from the 65s down to the 50s, so nice little 15 handle move, and still the market went lower after that, but the indicator kind of came back green for a little consolidation, push back. But it gives you kind of an overall idea of should I stay long, should I stay short, what is the indicator telling me? Are we getting that sell-off? Is the indicator going from green to red pretty quickly, or are we kind of consolidating? There is a little difference in the colors, kind of like an orange to red and then like a yellow to green, showing that there might be a possible trend change when that kind of curls up there. Again, that's the whole MA and warning zones indicator on TradingView. I've applied it to my charts. I have multiple charts still pulled up, but I think to have different indicators on different charts, different time frames, it just gives you a better idea when everything starts to line up. When you have 3 or 4 different indicators that are all lining up perfectly, it really gives you an overall advantage and more confidence to hold on to your trades. And that's what we're looking to do, right? We're looking to have confidence to be able to get bigger winners and make more money. So if you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, like button, I'll talk to you guys later on, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, live on YouTube. Peace.